Hey everybody, it's me, Sean, and welcome back to another series of Rise of Industry. Brand new series, brand new version. Version Alpha 3 just came out today, was released on the internet. That's usually how those things work. And we're going to jump right in and look at some of the cool new changes. I think some of the basic changes will be very obvious. We're going to make a few changes to our setup here. We're going to drop it down to 20 million, not that big a deal. Push the size up to medium, that's more of a big deal. We're going to lower the river frequency, and you'll see why as soon as the map loads up. Everything else will leave the same. I'm not too really worried about it. Let us generate. The biggest changes in Alpha 3 that I have seen are truck depots and warehouses. And the recipes, oh my gosh, all the new recipes. So I'd say that's really the biggest change. So many new recipes. But the ones that I'm pretty excited about would be the depots and warehouses because that was a real issue last time. Looks like they've also bumped up the town generation a little bit, which I like. I feel like maybe we had too many towns last time around. You know what I'm trying to say, words. Oh, and you can see already the towns now actually grow themselves. So Durbury here has already built a berry plantation, and Stewarton has built a vegetable farm. Doesn't look like Bishop has built anything, but Peel built a orchard. So all the towns, and they have specialties, from what I understand. Peel is a industrial village. Bishopy is heavy industry. So anyways, they're each going to have their own types of industries and whatnot. It's pretty exciting stuff. But we'll not worry about that so much. I guess that means we're going to have to compete with the towns. Let's see what Durbury and Storerton have in common so we can figure out what to start making. We have a farmer's market, construction goods shop, I guess, and a bookstore. Hardware store, farmer's market, and a bookstore. All right, so farmer's market. I'm guessing those are going to be where you would sell raw fruits and vegetables. So apples, eggs, okay, and a bookstore, and a bookstore. Boy, they both have bookstores, which is kind of nice. Books are something that it's not too hard to get into. Newspapers, even easier to get into. Interestingly, they don't sell regular books. They both sell. Oh, no, that one sells regular books. They both sell newspapers, which would be pretty easy to make. And they both sell gift wrapping, which I'm not quite sure how easy that one is to make. Let's take a look. If we go to factories, paper mill, gift wrapping. Gift wrapping requires cardboard and paper, both of which are produced at paper mills, so that would be pretty easy to do. A newspaper requires paper and dye. A dye we do not have, so we could start with gift wrapping, but I don't think that's going to really be profitable enough to, yeah, this requires fabric. I think that's quite going to be profitable enough to justify starting out with. A hardware store would sell cartons, paper, cardboard, dye. All right. So it seems like they really want to push us to start with the industry, the paper industry. Let's see what our other little nearby towns have to offer. Bishop. I clicked on a hardware store somehow. They also have a farmer's market, which shares vegetables. And they have a bookstore as well. Bookstore seems very familiar for these places. And over here, Bosworth's has two farmers. No, a farmer's market and a deli. Oh. Pizza, chocolate cake, candied apples. Well, I can't make any of those at the very start. But I can make, so I could do milk to those two towns. I could do meat to those two towns. And Stewarton. But I would not be able to get rid of the leather. Is this milk? Yeah, it is. So I think I'm going to start. Oh, wait, meat is chicken, right? Okay, so I'm going to start with chickens because I can get rid of those and I can grow apples. All right, good stuff. There we go. So we'll start with chickens and we will start with apples. So let's see if I can remember how to play this game. Dirt roads are a new item. They are, I guess, a slower version of regular roads. Not entirely sure. I can see they have a dirt road going over here to that place. But I think I will stick with regular roads. We're not so broke. Train tracks now have rail signals, which is exciting, but from what I've seen, it looks like they maybe didn't quite implement them in the way you might expect if you're used to something like Transport Tycoon or whatever. So maybe we should start with the building instead of starting with the roads, huh? We want a water siphon. That is not how you rotate the map. All right, that is how you rotate the map. That's not how you rotate a thingy. There we go. Rotated properly. Put a couple of gathering things down. 3 ought to be enough. I guess you do that to close it down. Now we'll place down the road. R for road. I like how I say that while I click on the button with my mouse and I say R for road. Smart. I am a smart SMRT. Okay, very good. Now if I connect those up, aha, it did not turn it into a dirt road. All right, $25 for the intersection. Fine. So now we've got water coming in, and I'm going to want to, well, I won't be able to put water up against this edge anyway, so I may as well make that where my farms will go. So we're going to go to livestock farm. If I remember correctly, they're going to be about that big. Whoops. So they'll be, I'll put it right here. I'm probably not entirely 100% efficient, but I'm efficient enough. Yep, there we go. Oh, look at that. It is just right. So we'll put in a few chicken fields. I'm going to guess 3 will be more than enough. We're going to need wheat for the chickens though, right? Yep, wheat. And we're going to need water, of course. So I'll run the water over like this. Connect you up there. And we're going to connect up to the town. There. Thank you. And I will put the wheat farm and apple orchards on the inside. So we have a crop farm right there. Wheat is always a very popular item, but you know what? I may as well have it over here near where it's going to go. So we'll have wheat right there. And, oh, I like how you can still see the overlays. I guess you can see the overlay for it because I still have that selected. Yep, that was why. Okay. Add field. Still a wheat field, great. 1, 2, 3. I'm sure that's more than enough. And next up, orchard. That's right, because we're going to do apples. Put an apple farm. Well, we're going to have to put a road to connect these things up anyway, so I may as well put the apple farm like right here. And apple field's beautiful. It's like you know what I want. All right, we're just going to go with 2 of those for now. So here, they've reduced it to where you can only buy 9 trucks, which is, I guess that it's so you'll be using more truck depots, I suppose. It's going to be a little tricky, I think. I think I only need 2 for the apple orchard, and I'll put the 4th one on. Nope, you can't just tell it to go that way, huh? All right. So that's got to be my orchard 1 right there. Beautiful. Here, choose destination. Wheat farm. Choose destination, a livestock farm. Great. All right, unpause it. And here, the wheat, go to destinations. 3 should be enough. Destination is going to be, we're going to have way too much wheat, by the way. As a matter of fact, I feel like I should delete at least one of those fields. Okay, so, and I probably didn't need 3 trucks either, but you start with 3, right? So yeah, what are you going to do? Okay, so you're delivering wheat to the livestock farm. You will deliver apples directly to the cities. So I will put a road right there. Put a road, for crying out loud, right there. Beautiful. And next up, delivery, choose destination, commercial, Durbury, and Storton. And we'll do 4 trucks there. Hey, what the what? 2, 3, 4. There you go, very good. Okay. Trucks delivering over here. Now, over here's a little trickier. So this is probably where you would want to use your warehouse and truck depots, because I have a lot of potential destinations from here. On the other hand, I don't think I really need to diversify so much. So we can deliver to, oh, I probably should set up the item first, yeah. All right, so we can deliver eggs and we can deliver meat. So the meat can go to Storton, the eggs can go to Durbury, and eggs can go to Storton. Very good. So I'm going to put 2 trucks on that one. And I'm going to put 4 on there, and then I guess 3 on here. 4, 6, 9. Okay, great. So there we go. Now they don't have analysis in there yet. I think that's alpha 4. We have plenty of spare water, but that could also be because we don't have wheat in yet. Yeah. And there we go. We should have our first production going. You can see our little truck. Is that our little truck delivering? Or is it? It is. Apples going to Storton. There they went, and the little thing covered up the delivery notification. I wanted to see how much money we made. This looks like it's going to be chickens going to Storton. Meat. That'll be fun. $5,800. Beautiful. We are making money already. And you can see that they've got their own vegetables going there in Storton. They've got cotton plantation going there in Storton. Berry plantation. Now, I wonder, can I buy berries somehow? No. That would be pretty neat. Boy, they are not messing around. They got a paper mill going and a lumber yard. Strange spot for a lumber yard, I must say. They're picking up those trees. That's where they're getting their lumber from? Hey, I don't think so. If you insist. All right, how are we doing here? We do not have enough water, but probably delivering too much water. 8 there, 4 there, 6 there. Yes, we are delivering too much. So I don't need to worry about not having enough, that's for sure. As a matter of fact, I can get rid of some trucks, I think. Whoops. Not quite sure what I did there. Oh, come on. Back. -1. All right, I'm going to sell 3 of them. Very good. Now, I must say, AI makes some weird decisions with their road laying, based on what I've seen so far. Why wouldn't you just connect up to that road? Why would you build such a long, ridiculous road to go? I mean, I guess you're not going from the paper mill to the livestock farm, but you are going from the lumber yard to the paper mill. Why wouldn't you just build a road like that instead of going up and around? Not up to me, I guess. We are not producing enough wheat. Hey, guess what? No, we're doing fine. Do I just need more trucks? I have 3. So why are not we? Why is the wheat not getting delivered? Oh, I guess it is. I guess it is. Huh. Still shows 0 though. So I need more trucks then, I guess? No. Oh, we're not producing enough wheat. Well, guess what? Shows what I know, huh? It's embarrassing. It's all right though. I'd rather have to add more. No, wait, that doesn't make any sense. I take that back. I don't know what I'm talking about. Now this jerk, he's not going to be able to get rid of all that leather. What are you going to do with all that leather, jerk? So we are not really losing much money at all. We're doing pretty good, I must say. I don't know how far along we are in the month. Oh, we're 10 days in, so we should end up making a profit this month then, based on what I can see so far. So that's real good. So maybe we could start doing some of the paper stuff. If we wanted to make dye, I believe that's what this guy's doing down here with the plantation, because I believe dye is made in the petrochemical plant. No? Food factory? No, it doesn't make any sense. Preservation factory? Well, where the heck? Textiles? Oh, in the textile factory for some reason. All right, dyes are made from berries and water. Berries and water. Well, I'd have to make another water thing. Or I could start using the warehouse and truck. Because we have plenty of water coming from here. So let's take a look at these logistics buildings. So we've got a truck depot, which does not have a tooltip. So the truck depot would be what we would use to deliver from the water warehouse out to the stuff. So we'll set the truck depot right there. Truck depot, I'm not sure how many trucks. I think you can only buy 9 trucks for the truck depot as well. You can. Okay, that's too bad. And the warehouse. So the warehouse covers everything that's within the area of radius, obviously. So we'll put it here across the street from that. So it'll still collect water and it'll also collect wheat and apples if we need to. Maybe I would be even smarter to have it like right there where it could collect the well, the main thing I want it to collect is the water. So I don't know. We'll find out. It's a problem with kind of learning while you play, isn't it? So the warehouse, gathered goods. So again, here you have to buy trucks to gather goods, and you can only set up 3 spots to gather from. So yeah, I don't think covering it with that chicken thing was necessarily. And then it can deliver 2 places as well. So weird. So and can you set up Can you just set up to have it deliver whatever? No. You have to set up specifically what it delivers, right? Or do you? Can I just have it deliver to choose product before setting? Okay. So basically between these 3 buildings, I could deliver water to 9 different buildings from this one water siphon. I think that is pretty much how this is going to work out. We'll find out. Right now, that was kind of a waste of money, but you know, it's fine. We have to learn. Let's start down the paper route, I guess. We're going to go with a plantation. Yep, plantation is where the berries are grown. And we'll just put it right here by the other farms. And it's not going to be cocoa. It's going to be, how do you, there we go. Berries. Yes. All right, very good. Add field. We'll start with 2, see how it goes. And then we're going to need a textile plant to make dye. And then we're going to need forestry stuff, which I'll put back in here. Let's go and build a road like that. Just go back there that way. That's fine. So now a textile plant. Textile factory. Oh, it's expensive. Right there will be fine. And next up would be carpentry. But before carpentry, I need lumberyard. Can I squeeze the lumberyard in there? No. It's those hills, huh? It's okay. I can squeeze it right there. And all I have to do is put just a little jog in the road. So no problem. Very good. Okay. The lumberyard. Add harvester. Let's try that again. Put one. Actually, we may as well just put them right there. 1, 2, 3. Why not? Great. Okay. Plenty of lumber coming in. And we need to, what are we trying to make? We're trying to make gift wrapping. Gift wrapping requires paper and cardboard. Great. Okay. So what was the thing? Newspaper? Newspapers require paper and dye. Okay, so we've got dye. Dye is going to be coming from here. Yes. Dye. Great. Berries and water makes dye. Dye and paper makes newspapers. So I need a carpentry. Is it carpentry? Paper mill. So there's paper, newspapers, cardboard, whatever that other thing was. All right, so here, paper, beautiful, you're already set. You are going to be cardboard. Yes, cardboard. You will be gift wrapping, paper and cardboard. You will be newspaper. Water, or no, dye and paper. Great. Okay, so those are all set up. I'm sure you heard the timer going off. That means we have come to the end of another exciting episode. And this is exciting. Don't tell me it's not. I will set up the destinations for all of our trucks and everything in between episodes, so you won't have to watch that. But I hope you are excited to watch this. I am. I like this game a lot, and I'm excited to check out the new features, like with these truck depots and stuff. We have a lot of demand for water, even in this little cycle through here. So it's going to be fun to set up all those trucks, but I'm not going to make you sit through it. And when we come back, we should have all this paper industry going and of course all of our little vegetables and stuff too. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you are enjoying this brand new series. Click the like button, leave me a comment if so. If this is your first time to my channel, maybe check out some of the other videos I make. I like to play strategy games and tycoon games, business, builder type of games, base builder stuff. Yeah, check it out. I'm really happy that you're here, and I hope you'll watch some more videos. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time. Bye.